extremely interesting to listen to you. If I challenge you, all three, if you can say one thing that we should take with us back when we go back to what we're doing as a traditional business, or if I'm working as a researcher or designer, what should we bring with us? What is the clue, the claw, so to speak?
Who should start?
Should we give the word to
Walter, because he's online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I would advise to talk more about absolute humidity and less about relative humidity.
Yes.
Absolute humidity is decisive for airways. And one thing that many people are talking and thinking, that heating is reducing air humidity. This is simply wrong. The absolute humidity stays the same. What we do when we heat, we increase the humidity gap between, we increase the relation to absolute saturation. And this is an important value, but not the decisive one. And concerning the limits, I would as well say, in my opinion, every gram and every percent relative humidity you increase is better than nothing. But I still think that the 40% relative humidity, or if we talk about absolute humidity, 7 to 8 grams per cubic meter, is what we should target at least.
Interesting.
All right, so we go with research. So I think we should be, I mean, if you're listening to me, I think we haven't had a good research on humidity in the last many years. So I think humidity came back during the COVID-19 pandemic as one of the methods of reducing the risk. And then we started to talk about humidity now, and we see that there is a gap in knowledge, or maybe some unsystematic, not systematic results. So I think it is the time to maybe revisit our recommendations that were done in the past and see whether this is 40 or 30% or maybe 25. We need to figure it out and then provide this information to the industry, and also to the people who are making regulation. Timo.
So, Timo?
My kind of takeaway for listeners would be that when there is snow outdoors, it will be dry indoors. And if you start to follow this, you will be starting to be specialist of this topic. The other topic, what I would say, is that in a design phase, we really can do very simple decision to require the air handling unit with humidity recovery, and all the steps will be very effective thereafter in order to optimize the indoor air humidity.
Thank you. I think it's a lot to take with us.